Fix your connection is not private error on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, let's get started. If you are facing this your connection is not private error in some of the URLs, here is the solution to it. For the first solution, go to the three dots and go to its settings. Doing so will open a new page. Now tap on privacy and security. Now click on clear browsing data and open that. Now on the advanced setting, choose all the things such as cookies and browsing history, download history and cached images and files, and make sure to clear it. Once you have made the changes, you can cross the Chrome. Now press Windows R to open the Run tab and click MMC and open this one. Once the console is open, click on File and click on Add or Remove Snap-in. It will open a new page. Hereby double-click on Certificate and then click on Add. Now you have to click on Computer Account and click on Next. On this new tab, you can leave it as it is and click on Finish. Now you will see that it is added on your console. Now what you have to do is click on OK. Again double tap on Certificate and it will open a new tab. Now double tap on Trusted Root Certificate folder and then again on Certificate folder. Among these all files, you have to search for this specific one, which is DST root CAX3. Right click on it and remove this file. Now we have to install and download a new one. For that, there is a link below on the description box. You can download the file and install and download it here again. And this will probably solve your problem. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.